Hey tech friends, welcome back in a tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to change the WhatsApp number without losing your data. So in this, I will guide you one of the easiest and step-by-step process to change the WhatsApp number without losing your word chats. So let's dive into our video. First of all, open your WhatsApp application on your mobile device. After opening that application, now you can see here three dot option is there on the top on right side. Tap on that. So inside that you will be getting different option. From that now you can see at the last setting option is there, tap on that. So now you can see here account option is there, tap on this. So now you can see here change number option is there, so tap on that change number. Now it will be asking for changing your phone number will be migrated your account information groups and setting. It will make all changes in that. So now you can see here next option is there, tap on next. So now you have to enter your old number and new number in which you want to change. So after giving that numbers, now you can see a next option is there, tap on next. So it will be notify that you want to change your number or not. It will be ask for confirmation. After giving that, then it will be asked about that whom you want to say that you are changing your number, like your contact numbers or whatever you want to, you can select that. So after giving all those things, in this way you can change the WhatsApp number without losing your data and all. So if you like this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below.